Like Marie, I believe that having a basic essay format can be enormously useful, especially when writing papers or assignments in school or college. Even if you think of yourself as more of a creative writer than an essayist, I think you'll find that having a basic essay format can take you to some interesting places. So here we are in London's Heathrow Airport. London is a wonderful place to talk about essays for several reasons. First off, London has been central to the English language for hundreds of years. Long before English was a world language, it was the language of London. Not only that, numerous important writers have lived and worked in London, including Chaucer, Shakespeare, William Blake, Charles Dickens, and Virginia Woolf. Perhaps most important, London has been home to many wonderful essayists, including one of my favorites, George Orwell. So let's go into London, and we'll use the sights of the city to talk about the art of writing essays.